It's Beth with Phastek.com, and today I'm all dressed up because I'm ready to get hitched with our bulletproof hitch. Today we're going to be putting on our new bulletproof adjustable dual ball hitch on our 2020 Silverado Custom. So this hitch has an adjustable 6-inch drop or rise depending on what you want, and it fits to a 2-inch receiver. This hitch runs about $250 at Phastek.com. Okay, so bulletproof hitches are precision CNC milled with a very precise tolerance. So this hitch is gonna allow you to correctly and safely tow any trailer. It's got a 2-inch and a 2 5/16 inch dual ball that allows you to switch it up. The bulletproof hitches are going to complement the lift of your truck and make towing really, really easy. At Phastek, we've included a guide on all the bulletproof hitch products on Phastek.com. So if you go to Phastek.com and are looking at a bulletproof hitch product, there will be a guide in the description showing you how to measure to make sure you're buying the right size hitch for your truck lift. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button for me. When you receive your bulletproof hitch, it'll come in a foam box and include the standard dual ball mount, 2 R-clips, the 2 5/8 inch heat treated pins, and anti-friction grease. So make sure that you save the foam box insert because it's gonna make transporting your hitch very easy if you're not using it. The only tool required to adjust the heights of this hitch are gonna be the R-clips that were provided with your hitch. All right, now we're ready to start getting hitched. So before you start, you wanna make sure that your receiver is nice and clean. So you don't wanna have to force your hitch into the receiver. There we go. Now we're gonna finish up by putting in our bulletproof locking pin to make sure that our hitch stays still. Now we're officially hitched. If you want to learn more about bulletproof hitches, make sure and visit Phastek.com to see all the different sizes that we offer. Again, thanks for watching.